everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video we are basically going to see how to make lesson plan, and the topic for today's video would be electricity. This is for science and this is for class 8. So here you can see topic is electricity. So like this we have to make our format. For previous knowledge, what we have to write is, for previous knowledge we have to write whatever means what students are already aware of. So students are already aware of like electricity, how to use it, and good and bad conductor of electricity. And for specific objectives we have to write whatever aims are, whatever objectives are behind teaching this particular or specific lesson plan. Here you can see general aim also, so you can see how we have to write. Now let's turn the page and let's see introduction part. So for introduction we can ask 5 questions. Okay, do not exceed more than that. 5 questions would be enough. Here you can see what is good conductor of electricity, what is bad conductor of electricity, give example of it, give 5 examples of good conductor of electricity. And last question would be, here you can see how would you classify lemon juice or vinegar, is it good conductor or bad conductor of electricity. So it would be problematic for students. Okay, and here you can see objectives and specification, like to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. Like this would be objectives and specific of our lesson plan or introduction part. Here you can see statement of him. So after that we have to announce our topic. We have to say students, I am going to teach you topic electricity. Like this we have to write all these things, mention all those things. Here you can see overall look of our lesson plan. Now let's turn the page and let's see presentation 1. So for what we have to do is we have to explain for 6 to 7 minutes to students. We have to explain everything properly, and after that we have to ask a question also related to that. Here you can see experiment also. We can conduct experiment in class also. Classroom we have to conduct any experiment related to electricity. Here you can see teacher explain properly and questions. After that teacher will explain everything, and after that teacher will ask question, like 4 questions teacher can ask. Here you can see, and after that student will answer, like student will listen carefully and they will try to answer all the questions. Here you can see blackboard work also. Now here you can see specific objectives and name, understanding and knowledge. And here after explaining everything properly, teacher has to once again explain with help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid chart, right? So for presentation to the same thing, the same process we have to repeat. We have to explain everything properly in front of student for 6 to 7 minutes. And here you can see blackboard work, right? And this would be overall look of our lesson plan. So this way we have to make our lesson plan, right? Now let's turn the page and let's see rest part of presentation 2. Here you can see experiment. So we can conduct any experiment also in the class, and here you can see list of questions that we can ask to students. You can see what causes bulb to glow. Like this we have to what causes bulb to glow when current pass through it, and answer also here you can see. So student will answer all those things here. Okay. After that teacher explain with help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we can write chart. And here you can see blackboard work, right? Teacher like this we have to write all those things. For presentation 2, recapitulation. So for recapitulation we can ask 4 questions. 4 questions or 5 questions would be enough. Do not add more than that. Here you can see, is vinegar good conductor of electricity, and here is the answer basically that we expect from students, right? So like this we have to make our lesson plan for students. For students we can ask this type of question. So let's turn the page and let's see last page. So application and evaluation. So for that we can give fill in the blanks. Here you can see I have given 5 fill in the blanks. So you can see this, and home assignment also. So for perfection of the knowledge, so students knowledge, teacher can give home assignment to students, right? So this was for today. So yeah, thank you. We will meet in next video. Thank you.